Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming who owns the recording and composition. That determines every step you take next. Start by listing exact track metadata and search YouTube's audio and claim data. Once you know the rights holders, choose your approach. Obtain a license, use a royalty-free alternative, perform a licensed cover, or request written permission. Make sure to document contacts and quoted prices immediately because rates and terms change. You'll need that proof when you upload, so collect it before editing your short. You now move into negotiations and contract details. This is the complex middle work that protects your short. Contact the publisher or label directly or use a reputable licensing service. Request a quote for shorts, specifying platform, territory, and if you'll monetize. Once terms are agreed, get a written license that lists exact usage rights, start and end dates, and any required credits or ID. Keep digital and printed copies, and make sure payment receipts match the contract to avoid future disputes. You finish by uploading the short and proactively preventing issues. Include license details in the description and register usage with YouTube Rights Manager if possible. Once done, monitor for Content ID claims. If a claim arises, respond immediately with your license documentation and dispute form, or accept the monetization arrangement if that matches your deal. If the claim persists, contact platform support and your licensor together to escalate. Remember, preserve timestamps, receipts, and messages to resolve any stubborn disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.